Hello students, let us continue with exercise 16.1. Let's go to the word equations now. The very first is question number 17. Please read the statement of the question before solving. Find two positive numbers which have a difference of 5 and whose product is 84. So there are two numbers positive, their difference is 5. So what I will do, I will assume the numbers. So let the numbers be x and their difference would be 5, so x and x plus 5. Okay, one is x, other is x plus 5, and according to the question their product is 84. So x into x plus 5 is equal to 84. Now if I multiply, I will have x square plus 5x, this 84 if I bring to this side, minus 84 equal to 0. Now I have to solve this equation by doing middle term factorization. So to subtraction should give you 5, so 12 minus 7, these are the factors. You are aware of this method obviously. So x square plus 12x minus 7x minus 84 equal to 0. So this will give us x common x plus 12 minus 7 common x plus 12, this will give you 0, which will implies x plus 12 x minus 7 equal to 0. So that means you have either x plus 12 equal to 0, which gives you x equal to minus 12, or you have x minus 7 equal to 0, which gives you x equal to 7. Now if you look at the question, find two positive numbers. You got x equal to 7 and x equal to minus 12. This x equal to minus 12 has to be neglected. Why? Because x is positive, but here x is negative. So what is the value of x then? X is 7. So my numbers are then, so my numbers are, one is 7, other is 7 plus 5, isn't it? 12. That means my numbers are 7 and 12. Alright, this is how you are going to solve question number 17. Now let's go to question number 18. Similar kind of question. Find two consecutive whole numbers whose product is 72. So let the two numbers consecutive whole numbers. So if one is x, other will be x plus 1 consecutive. So now according to question, again their product is 72. So x into x plus 1 is 72. That shall give us x square plus x minus 72 equal to 0. Product should be 72, difference should be 1. 9 and 8 are the factors. So I am doing middle term factorization. So x square minus 9x minus 8x minus 72 equal to 0. That gives us x common, x plus 9, that gives us minus 8 common, x plus 9. So finally my factors are x plus 9 and x minus 8. Now just like the previous question, I will have x plus 9 equal to 0, that will give us x equal to minus 9, or I will have x minus 8 equal to 0, that will give us x equal to 8. Again, because you have to take whole numbers, this x equal to minus 9 will be rejected or neglected. You can write any of the words, neglected or rejected. So your whole numbers are, so my required numbers are, one is 8, next is obviously 8 plus 1, that is 9. So this is my final answer, 8 and 9. Okay, let's discuss one more in this video, that is question number 19. Now question 19 says divide 8 into two parts such that sum of their squares is 34. 8 you have to divide into two parts. So let the two parts be, so first part is suppose x. So the total we have 8. So second part will be 8 minus x, not x minus 8, because total is 8. So you have to subtract x from 8, 8 minus x. Now according to question, sum of their squares, so this square and this square and their sum. Okay, this is equal to 34. Now x square plus this, here you have to apply a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equal to 34. Now this cell give us 2x square plus 8 square is 64 minus 34 will come here minus 16x equal to 0. So this cell give us 2x square minus 16x plus 30 equal to 0. 2 is common in all the terms, so I can take 2 common. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So this 2 will go to the other side, 0 by 2 is 0. So ultimately you will have x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now if I middle term factorize, their sum should be 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 into 3 is 15. So x square minus 5x plus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Now if I take x common, x minus 5, please try to follow. If I take 3 common, this should be minus not plus, so I'll have minus 3 common over here. So I have x minus 5 equal to 0. So my final factors are x minus 3 and x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, very simple, keep doing, no problem. So x minus 3 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So if I do either or, so I have either x minus 3 equal to 0, that will give us x equal to 3, or my second factor was x minus 5 equal to 0, that will give us x equal to 5. Okay, now one part is 3, other one saying one part is 5. Basically your total was 8. So if you take x equal to 3, your 8 minus x, that was the other part, is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So my parts are 3 and 5, isn't it? Now if I take the second condition, if I take x equal to 5, then my second part is 8 minus 5, that is 3 again. Ultimately in both the situations my parts are 3 and 5. So my summary or the final answer is, therefore the two parts are 3 and 5. Okay, so 17, 18, 19 I have discussed in this video. Next we shall be trying to discuss question number 20, 21 and 22.